If you want to start over with a new Squarespace site, there are several ways to do so without creating a new site. You can reset your template style tweaks to their default colors, fonts, and other styles using the Site Styles panel. You can delete your site content by removing pages. To remove content from your site, click Pages. Hover over the page and click the icon. You can also disable a page to hide it from visitors. To try out new structures or designs for your site, you can add pages or sections with pre-built layouts. To add a pre-built page, click the plus icon. Click Page Layouts, then click the layout type. Browse the available layouts and select the one best for you. To start with an entirely blank slate, you can create a new trial and build a new site from scratch. Go to squarespace.com/templates and choose the template that best suits your needs. Let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.